Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jewelry Pirate. This is Barbara. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. We're getting closer to that 50 person mark for the free giveaway of the mystery bag. I'm back with the second and last part of the opening up the pirate chest. I have a bunch of really nice items. Some of them are very different to show you now. So let's get started. Okay. Let's see where we're going to go. All right, here we have a really nice pair. These are posts. Okay. And they are leather. And they're a pair of earrings. They have silver on the bottom. These are really, really nice earrings. They have, like I said, the post and the backs. Okay, and these here, this is video number 64, by the way. And these earrings are $2. Okay, I'm going to get the biggest piece, the most obnoxious piece, out of the way first. All right, this is totally different. All right, this is if you like big and bold and you like a lot of sparkle and a lot of glam, this is the piece for you. Okay, all those crystal beads there are glass. The large faux pearls are silver. We have, let's see, what else is on this beautiful thing? It has a monster of a lobster claw clasp, and it has this great big focal bead with all these crystals. And you can see it. They're all nice and alive, and there's none missing that I can see of. All right. The only thing about this, which is in the back, there is a little tiny bit of wear showing on the lobster claw clasp. Let me put this on Buster. You can see this is a very, very pretty, sparkly necklace. And for all you're getting here, this necklace is only $5. Okay. Let's put that to the side. I'll never get it back in the bag fast enough. All right, this next piece is an old vintage piece. These are green faux pearls. It has, it's Japanese. It has, you can see the different variations in the green of the pearls. This is an old necklace, but it's in great shape. Put it on Buster. It has a hook clasp. This would be your center bead down here. I think this big green bead with the two whites on the side. There's a couple of matte beads on here also. This is very pretty. It is 16 inches, plus it also has an extender. Let me give you a close-up. I'm trying to put the clasp in the picture so you can see how pretty this is. And again, this is a vintage necklace. All right, and the price on this is a whopping $3. Okay, the next necklace we have is from Premier Designs. This is really pretty. Okay, we have it's on a snake chain. It's in excellent shape. The snake chain without the let's see, 7, 8.5. So we're going to talk like this is a 17-inch necklace. Let me show you. It's got a beautiful, beautiful pendant, and I'm going to show you the pendant in a minute. Look at the condition of this. It is Premier Designs. Okay, this is really, really pretty. There's a little Premier Design tag. Now, this is an enhancer, so you'll be able to take this off of this necklace, and you'll be able to wear this on something else if you would care so to desire. Okay, so you have this here enhancer with all these beautiful stones. There's the back. It's marked inside, and it's also marked on the chain. And for these two pieces, the price on this is $5. It's really pretty. Okay, our next piece, this is sterling. I'll take it out in a second. We have a little tiny disco ball down at the bottom. And this is very pretty. It has a lot of stones in it. It has a lot of glitter and glam. All right. Here's the chain. Excuse me. Let me see if I can get this in here. There's your little tag with the 925 lobster claw clasp. And it is all sterling silver. And this is probably a 16-inch necklace. There is no extender on it. And it's all carded up and ready to go if you would like to give it as a gift. Very delicate and dainty and very pretty. Again, this is from video number 64, and this is $5. Okay, moving on. This is a beautiful, beautiful statement choker type necklace. And I'm going to put this on Buster so you can see how lovely this is. Okay. Let me get it even here. All right, this is all silver tone. Sorry about that. It has chain. It's got really, really nice, sturdy, pretty things that your chain goes into. Big lobster claw clasp here. All right, and it's got a small, it's about a 2-inch extender. This is a very pretty necklace, and it has some weight to it. And I didn't let me measure it for you so you can be sure where it's going to sit. It's 18 inches, so this is going to hang just below your collarbone. Let me give you a close-up look at this so you can see how very pretty this is. Hopefully it'll show up in the video. There we go. And there's those things that your chain goes into. This is very nice. All right. And this necklace is $7. This is a nice statement piece, but it's not obnoxious. If you're into silver tone, it's a great piece. Okay. Our next item is by Mix It. And this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 stretch bracelets. These are very, very, very pretty. There's some glass. There's some acrylic. Here's the tag. Mix It. These, believe it or not, originally sold for $24. And these are very pretty. There's some shell, and I think there's even a couple pieces maybe of abalone mixed in here. So let me show you close up. Brand spanking new. Absolutely beautiful. This would be great for this time of the year. And the price on this, 4 bracelets, $5. Okay, let me see what I got here. I'm missing something here. All right. Oh, here it is. Okay. Next we have an all glass with antique brass finishes. This has a tiny bit of wear on the lobster claw clasp, but it's all glass. The maker on this is Skinny, and this is very pretty. It's delicate and dainty. The findings and everything, those are all individual beads that were all put together to form this necklace. There's the lobster claw clasp, showing a little bit of wear. There's the hang tag that says skinny. Let me show you this on Buster. I'll give you a length first. It's probably 12, 24, 26 inches, I would say. All right, let's give you an idea what this looks like on. This is very, very, very pretty. All right, there's your tag, your hang tag. And the price on this beautiful necklace is $4. Let me tell you, it's a lot of work taking and putting these videos together for you. But I enjoy it. It keeps me busy. Okay, this here is a very pretty, it's going to be a little bit harder to describe this necklace. Let me see here. I like this. It's different. I'm going to try to show you this. This has a black tassel. All the tassels are excellent. It has this chain seed bead thing here. Then it has the one that drapes down at the bottom. Okay, and then there's these two pieces here that hang off to the side. So as you're wearing this is hard to show you, but as you're wearing this, these will hang off to the side, okay, on the necklace. They don't attach or anything. So this is very, very, very pretty. The chain that's on here, it's like a snake chain. This is a really pretty, delicate, dainty little necklace. It's in great condition. It has really good findings on it. I want to show you these. It's put together really well is what I'm trying to say. And it has an extender with a little bead at the end of it. So the price for this cute little necklace is $4. I'm trying to keep all these bags separated. Now this is an antique style necklace. It's done in real antique brass, and it's made by Avon. This is really pretty. I'll show it to you close up. But these are glass beads. All the rhinestones are there. It's really gorgeous. It has the center piece here with the little flowers and the drop bead. And the length on this, it's got at least, I think, a 4-inch extender on it. So if you wear it as it is, it's going to be 15 inches. It's going to hang right probably on your collarbone. Let me give you a close-up of this. It does have a hang tag on it that says Avon. This is really pretty necklace. Okay, so you can see all that is dark antique brass. Okay, this is by Avon, and this necklace is $5. All right, next item. We have a very festive little wooden necklace. It's an older piece. It's in brand new condition. Let me put it on Buster. I'm going to have to double it up to get it around. The colors are very festive and cheerful. It's a very comfortable necklace to wear. All right. We have oranges and yellows and greens and pretty much purples. Pretty much everything is there. It's a nice necklace. Let me show you close up. Let me give you a measurement first. It's at least, let's see, 20, 22, 24 inches. Let me show you this. It's very flexible. And it's really super pretty. You can see there's even texturing in the beads. You know, the grain of the wood is just coming through. The price on this lovely little necklace, this is $3. Okay. Now we have a big, large piece. It's nice. If you like seed bead necklaces, let me see if I can get this all the right way so that I can put it on Buster. This will be the best way I can get it. This has a wooden clasp. Okay, I'm sure some of you have seen these. This is all turquoise in color. All right, I'm going to put it up here. And this has some stretch to it, so it'll be very comfortable. All right, this is very pretty. Just a more closer look up at that clasp. And you can also do the same thing with this one if you want. You can wear this a little bit off to the side. This is a very organic looking necklace. All right, you can wear it like that. It works both ways. And this beautiful necklace is $6. Let me put that over here. All right. Now we have an older set of glass pearls. I think they're glass. They're all hand knotted. It has the antique type of clasp on it. Let me show you that. Give me a break. Come on, camera. Let me put the whole thing in my hand. Maybe I can get it better this way. All right, there we go. There's the clasp. There's the pearls. Look at the sheen on these. You don't see no peeling, nothing. These are very pretty. Again, they're all hand knotted. They are in beautiful, beautiful shape. The length on these are long. So 12 and 4 inches, 16, 32 inches of these beautiful pearls. So if you're interested in these, there they are again. These are $6. All right, moving on to the next piece. The next one is a piece by Stella and Dot. Now this is a mixture of glass and acrylic. It does have a hang tag on it that does say Stella and Dot. This is very, 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 very pretty. All right, it's long. Oh boy, this is probably almost double, 12 and probably another 8. So it's probably a 30-inch necklace. I'm going to show it to you like this, because this is definitely one that you can take and double up on. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if it'll work out on Buster. All right, again, this is a piece that all these here are all done individually, so there's great articulation. It'll move really nice with your body. And I'm going to give you a close-up of it. The hang tag is on there that says Stella and Dot, and it does have an extender. Let me show you how pretty this is. The stones are gorgeous. There you go. See, you can see some of them. There's some stone, there's some acrylic, there's glass. There's a little mixture of everything. The price on this necklace is a whopping $6. All right, now last one on this side of the table is this Southwest colored little necklace. It's made with seed beads. It's got some wooden seed bead shaped beads on here, and also blue bugle beads in 2 different colors. And this is what this looks like on. This is going to hang at your collar. All right, it has a very, very, very long extension on it with a bead, so you'll be able to drop that down a little bit. This is a pretty necklace for a very reasonable price. Let me give you a close-up on it with the colors and stuff. I actually think the combination of the browns and the blues is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so there you go. This little necklace is $3. All right, let's go over here now. Let's start grabbing from over here. We have a really cute little heart necklace. It's gold tone. There's rhinestones all the way around. It has a really nice chain on it. I'll take it out and show you it better so you can see, and you'll see the chain hanging down. Chain is in excellent shape. This is like a new piece. Bring it up close. There you go. There's all the rhinestones. Here's your chain. The price on this beautiful little heart is $2. Can't beat that. All right, we have a big pair of earrings next. These are big, big, but they're not heavy. And if you like chandelier earrings and you like something that's going to turn around and give you a lot of movement when you wear them, but yet they're not going to turn around and be so heavy that you can't stand it, this is a great pair of earrings for you. All right, they are acrylic. All right, they're round. Let's see if we can get close up and so you can see the framework. They have a little bead above, shepherd hooks. All right, that's the back. And these great earrings here are $2. We're almost down to the end. All right, the next necklace is gorgeous. All right, this here, it doesn't have a signature on it. This is silver tone. It's glass beads, and they're raspberry in color. And this is what it looks like. Combination beads. These are kind of like an emerald cut bead, and these are a large nugget type bead. They're in a raspberry color. Your beads here on the side, these are square little boxes. You have all these nice silver tone beads up at the top, so it's going to be comfortable. These will roll on your skin. Okay, let me give you a close-up. Size-wise, let's see, I got my ruler backwards because I dropped it. Okay, size-wise, it's 18 inches plus extender. Let's give you a nice close-up of this so you can see how pretty it is. It's not cooperating, of course. There you go. Look at those beautiful the detail on those box beads. And look at the color. The color is so pretty. The emerald cut ones are clear, and these ones here are opaque. Price on this necklace is $8. That's a bargain if it was $12. It's gorgeous. Okay, now this necklace is all stone. It has some gemstones in it. It has rose quartz, and I'm not sure what these orange beads are, if they're just a coral tone. There's like some carnelian colored beads in here. It's on gold with gold findings, and it has this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous piece of I don't know if you want to call it spider agate or what, but I'm going to try to give you a close-up look of it. It does have a little tassel on it, which I would take off. I'll send it along with the tassel on it, and you can take that off because there's a dark bead. I want to get you a close-up of this pendant so you can see. It's like crazy lace agate, the patterns that are in this thing. Really gorgeous. Look at, can you see? So you see all that in there? It's really, really pretty. So, anyway, I'll give you length on this. It's long. It's very, very, very long. This is a really nice necklace. All right, so we have 12 inches, and then we have another 4 inches. That's 16. And we have a 2-inch extender. So you're talking over 30 inches. Again, what a beautiful necklace. Okay. All right, and this beautiful necklace is $8. Only a few more to go. I hope you're enjoying these. All I do is I have a box here that I packed up, you know, when I clean and sanitize these, that I packed up. And I'm just grabbing out of the box. What comes out in the order is what I put up. All right, this is a really nice glass stretch bracelet. Very pretty beads. I'm going to show you close up. These are the focal beads, and they're big and they're beautiful. But these littler beads that are on the side, and I don't know if you can actually see this all too well. Let me see if I can get it in there to show you. Maybe we can do this. There's little roses painted on those beads. So there's that light pink one, just like there's a dark purpley one and a light pink one of those. There's one here that is the same color, and it's got a rose on it also. Everything is glass. This is very, very pretty. And the cost of this is $3. Can't beat that. Okay. Just a couple more pieces, everybody. This is a metal necklace. I don't see a hang tag on it, but this is a really, really nice necklace. If you want something bold and gold, this is very pretty. I'm going to put it on Buster. It's a matte finish gold, so it's not one of these things that's all in your eye gold. Okay? This is what she looks like. And it's usually hard to find these in good shape because they show wear. Unbelievable, this type of necklace. But this one is in really magnificent shape. And this is a steal. This one is $4. Again, remember, this is video 64, and it's $4. Okay, we have next up, a very small statement necklace. It's done in pretty blue. And this is by Zap. This is very, very, very pretty. If you want a statement necklace, but you don't want something that's out there and in your face, this is really pretty. These are a cobalt color. Everything is in good shape here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. They have these really cute discs at the end of the chain. Okay, it's in excellent shape. It has the extender on it that says Zap, and this is pretty. Let me show you close up the actual part of the statement necklace. This is going to hang down on your collar and below. This is really nice. Okay, and the price on this mild-mannered statement necklace is $4 by Zap. We're just about finished. Now, this is probably one of the prettiest necklaces in the sale, and I want you, this is very old, and if you like old-fashioned style glass necklaces, this will blow you away. This is absolutely magnificent. Okay, it has a hook closure. It's all glass. Everything on here has got an Aurora Borealis finish. These are how they are connected. There's 3 strands. I don't have it quite in the middle. Okay, and it even has beads on the extender. You can make this a little shorter if you'd like. This is a gorgeous necklace. This necklace I should be selling probably for 3 times this, but here for this particular opening up the pirate chest sale, I don't believe it, $8. So grab this if you want something really beautiful and vintage. All right, we got 2 more items left. I'll do the harder one to display first. Now this, I'm trying to think who this is by, if it's by anybody. This is so pretty. This has a tassel on it also. It's a little tangled here. Let me see if I can get these apart. I'm going to put this on Buster so I can give you a close-up of the... I'm going to try to hold this, and hopefully it won't fall off. This is in the manner of a southwestern necklace. It's so pretty. And everything is glass. A lot of these are check glass. And it has some chains coming down. There's actually some cup chain also with Aurora Borealis. There's a tassel, but that is hooked into the chain. So if you don't want that little tassel, all you have to do is open up the jump ring and it'll come off. Here's a teardrop bead. There's a feather on this. There's square beads. And then all these lovely different color glass. Okay? And, I mean, this is really pretty. And this is an over the neck. There's no clasp. Okay? It's long. So you would be able to double this around your neck if you want it. Let me give you a close-up of it. Let's see here. Remember, if you ever have any questions, don't be afraid to email me. And I can check on things for you and get back to you and let you know, if you have an inquiry. Look at the detail in this is great. Look at this. There's even a little bead at the bottom of the teardrop. This is very pretty. Price on this necklace is $5. And the last piece we have in this video, this is not signed from what I can see, but this is really nice. This is a big chunky bracelet. I'm going to put it in my hand so you can see, and you can see the size of the clasp. This is very nice. Here you go. Take a look at that. How pretty that is. There's the clasp. It's almost like a square link snake. It's just pretty. And the price on this nice bracelet, and it's brand new condition, is $3. Okay, everybody, so that's it. That's the end of our sale for this week, the opening up the pirate chest sale with the prices. I hope you find something that you like. I have so much stuff you won't believe that I can show you. Like I said, if there's a particular style of jewelry that you like, let me know. I can do a whole video on certain kinds of jewelry. I mean, I have so many different things. I've got a lot of it sorted, and I do take a lot of time. And any of you that's bought from me, please feel free to leave a comment, below one of your video, like a video that if you're pleased with your purchases, it might help out a little bit. I take a lot of time and a lot of pride in what I do, and I know it shows. You've all been telling me that it does, and I would appreciate that. It might help build the channel a little bit. Anyway, I'm done. We're up to 34 minutes. I hope I don't have no trouble uploading this. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell in case you want to be informed when I upload the next video. This is the Jewelry Pirate, Barbara. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and bye-bye.